Welcome to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel. Hosts Kimmi and Jeff Nunnally, along with Alexis Franklin, share expert insights to help you launch and grow a successful mobile notary business, no matter what state you are commissioned in. Learn how to become a top-notch loan signing agent and get answers to common notary questions. Explore our all-inclusive $47 monthly training library, plus live weekly online coaching sessions with courses on general notary work, wedding efficient services, remote online notary, ink fingerprinting, apostille, translation services, and I-9 completion. So please remember that Notary Educators LLC is your one-stop shop for notary training. Now sit back and watch Kimmi and crew, and don't forget to subscribe to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel for more tips. Take your notary business to new heights.
Okay, those are our choices. Lavestra says, sorry, my condolences. Thank you so much. Thank you, Denise. Drea, they sending out condolences to you, huh? Yeah, we are so sorry about that. We are. Stacy says, I'm struggling with finding witnesses. Stacy, so what I teach people to do in my course is, first of all, you can join, and you don't have to be a member. I'm just going to tell you what I teach, okay? But a couple of resources for you when it comes to finding witnesses, and it is a struggle. Little did I know how big a role my mommy and my father-in-law played in my business. They were my witnesses. I ain't tell y'all Jeff lost his dad two months after I lost my mother. Well, actually 3 months. February, March, April, May. 3. Yep. So the same year I lost my mom, Jeffrey lost his father, my husband. So we've been going through it, okay? Now you wouldn't know it here. Again, I don't even know how we cope, but we've been making it. But anyway, to my point, his father was always a witness, or my mother. They used to fight about who was going to be the witness. So now that I don't have either one of them, it's like, are you kidding? I can't find a witness. So this is what I teach you to do. And again, it's not a secret. I'm going to tell you here, but you know, you get more in the mentor program, but it's not a secret. But the way I recommend you get witnesses, if you can't find any, is one, we have a free Facebook group, Notary Educators. That's completely free. So it's over 10,000 members. You could always start there. Hey, I need a witness over in Florida, such and such a time, such and such a zip code. Somebody from my group may decide to be a witness for you. Number two way that I say you can find you a witness is by going to Google. So just like a customer would go to Google to find a notary, I go to Google also and find me a notary to serve as my witness. So I'm wearing high vis today, guys, because I want to show you what I wear when I do field inspections. Okay. That's why I'm wearing high vis. You might be like, why she got on that work shirt? If you're just joining us, this is what I wear. Isn't it cute? You know, it's going to be some pink. Yes, I'm a field inspector. All right, here we go. So anyway, yeah, so I go to Google. I put in notary near me, just like a client would. That's why your Google page needs to be tight. Okay. And I look for notaries that have 5 stars, even just to serve as a witness for me. I don't want no 1-star notary to do nothing for me. I don't want no 2-star notary doing anything for me, not even serving as a witness. I don't even want a 3-star. Okay. When I look for a witness as another notary, I'm looking for 5 stars. Okay. 5. So that's why I'm always telling you to ask for reviews. Provide 5-star service. Okay. If me as a notary only want to work with a 5-star notary, you don't think the average person that wants you to do their estate documents and to do their loan signing package only want to work with a 5-star notary? 5. Okay. So that's who I would choose as another means too. Also, now is the time I teach from the beginning in our sessions with my mentees and anyone I teach is have your witness list prepared. As you're building your business, you need to be talking to your friends. Hey, I'm starting a business. I need to know if I can get you to serve as a witness sometimes for me. Okay? That's so important. So I let them know, hey, I'm looking for a witness. I'm starting a business. Typically I pay $25 to $30, depending on when, where, how far they have to travel. Let them know that up front. But who wouldn't want to just come in and sign a couple documents and get $25? And I'll give you a bonus tip. Somebody that I'm using as a witness right now is someone that came recommended to me to serve like as an Uber driver, but he don't have nothing else to do sometime during his downtime. So guess what he does? All right, this is what business entrepreneurs do. He doesn't have nobody to drive to the airport. So guess whose witness he's serving as? Yours truly. So I pay him $35 to just come and sign, and then he's on his way. He was only gonna make so much going to drive for the airport for Uber, so he's my witness. Okay, so you got to get creative. I teach you all these things. Think out the box. Entrepreneurs do things differently than other people. We're often wired differently than other people. Okay, and some of us may not be wired naturally like that to be an entrepreneur. That's why you need mentorship. You need me to help you, to teach you how to build a business. For me, building a business comes as natural as being a Black woman right now. Okay, Black kinky curly hair. Being a business person comes as natural as my curls, okay? For me, I think, bleed, and dream business. I wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm like, I need to be doing ABC. I'm wearing high vis today for those who may not be able, who just joining us, because I'm talking about field inspections. And this is what I wear. Boom. So, anyway, or another tip with field inspections too is, if you don't want to do them, like I was saying, as a filler job, then you could always stack them. Like for one day. So for example, you may say, okay, Friday, I'm going to do 5 field inspection jobs, or I'm going to do 4 and do them all in one day. That could be your field inspection day. Okay. That's another way you can do it. So especially if you're full-time in the business, you have a lot of opportunities, a lot of options. So that's another way you can do it. All day Friday, I'm doing my field inspections. All day Tuesday, I'm going to do field inspections. Okay. So let's just say if you did all day Tuesday, all day Friday field inspections, $50 per job, that's $200, right? $400 a week, right? 400 times 4 is how much? $200 this day, $200 this day is $400 for the week. 4 jobs. Is my math right? No, my math is wrong. 50 times 4 jobs, right? It's 200. So that's 8 jobs. Now, if the average job is only a half an hour, okay, y'all start doing the math. If you're working much, much harder than that and you're not making $50 an hour, you need to be doing field inspections. It's just as simple as that. It's just as simple as that. So I do have a brand new course. Again, it's part of the mentorship program, or you can check it out individually. Okay, start your field inspections. It's not that complicated. And you know the way I teach, it ain't gonna be complicated because your girl don't have time. So we helped Legacy with her witness issue. Melon Express, what's up? Oh no, yeah. Thank you. Prayers for me and for Drea. What's the age to be a witness? 18. Yep. Now, technically, it depends on what your state says. Okay, in Georgia, it actually said you could be a witness at 14. Now I ain't doing no witnesses for 14. You cannot come and witness no paper for me unless you could be sued. Okay, because I can't take a 14-year-old to court. I guess you could, but I like to deal with 18. Okay, that's my personal rule. But your handbook might say they could be 12. So I'm not doing that though. So it's really according to your state handbook. My personal preference though is an 18-year-old. Amanda says, how do I sign up for class? NotaryEducatorsLLC.com. I always neglect to tell you all that. NotaryEducatorsLLC.com, though. You can find all the information you need, okay? Look forward to seeing you, Amanda. Hey, Lisa. What's up? What's up? Lisa does field inspections, and she actually was the inspiration for my course. Lisa is in mentorship. And Lisa was talking about one experience she had with dogs. And I said, oh, I didn't talk about that. And I already had a piece in my specialty course about field inspection, but I felt the whole thing about field inspections warranted a whole course, especially after listening to some of the experiences my other people were having. Because, sometimes you see things from your viewpoint or your vantage point, and it's like, okay, A, B, C. But then it's like, oh, okay, if everybody keep talking about something, then it might be something different that needs to happen. So that's kind of what happened with field inspection. I had people all the time asking me about field inspection. Do you do field inspection? Do you do field inspection? I'm like, yeah, I got a piece in my course. Yes, I have a piece in my course. But I was like, I'm gonna just do a whole course on it so I can help those people. So I got a whole new field inspection course, and I think it's amazing. But of course I would. If you don't think your stuff is good, who gonna think it's good? Even with your business, right? That's why, what did I say earlier? What kind of notary do I pick when I'm looking for a witness and I'm going to Google? What kind of witness? What kind of witness do I pick? Somebody drop it in the chat. What kind of witness do I pick when I'm looking for a notary to be a witness for me? PBL says, great tip. Thank you. Tracy Lee says, how much is the field inspection class? It's not a class, Tracy. It's actually a course. It's $48. $48 with the coupon. It's only $48. And then if you want to take it as part of the mentorship, it's included in the $47 per month with the all-inclusive package. Okay, so we have an all-inclusive package, and then we have where you can buy it separately. Okay.